Serena Williams was born in Compton, California. Life was not easy there. The streets were tough, and there were many challenges, but Serena had a big dream. She wanted to play tennis and become the best. Her mother taught her something very important. She said, "Education and communication are the keys to success." Serena learned to speak and write well. She knew that good language skills would help her in life. She needed to talk to different people, understand her coaches, and share her ideas. English helped her grow. Her mother and father always emphasized the importance of education, and they made sure that Serena and her sister Venus focused on their studies along with their tennis training. They understood that success was not only about physical skill but also about mental strength and the ability to express oneself clearly. When Serena started playing tennis, she met many new people. She had to listen to her coaches and understand their advice. She also had to speak to sponsors and the media. She needed to explain her thoughts clearly. Her English skills helped her connect with people. She became confident and strong. Interviews became a regular part of her life, and she learned how to express herself with grace and power. When reporters asked her tough questions, she responded with confidence and intelligence. She knew that her words mattered just as much as her actions on the court. On the tennis court, Serena did not just play with her racket. She also played with her words. She spoke to her team with clear instructions. She shared her plans with her sister Venus. Her words helped her win many matches. Her language skills made her a better player. Understanding different cultures and speaking to international audiences became a crucial part of her journey. When she played in tournaments around the world, she had to communicate with people from different countries and backgrounds. This helped her gain fans from all over the world and made her a global icon. As Serena grew, she became more than a tennis star. She started speaking up for others. She talked about fairness and equality. She gave powerful speeches. Her words inspired young boys and girls. She showed them that words can change the world. She used her platform to advocate for gender equality, racial justice, and better opportunities for young athletes. She understood that being a role model meant using her voice for good. She encouraged young people to speak up for themselves and never be afraid to express their opinions. Serena proved that language is important in every job. Speaking well helps in sports, business, and life. It helps people make friends and find success. She showed that learning English can open many doors. She became a businesswoman, launching her own clothing line and investing in different companies. To succeed in business, she had to negotiate contracts, give presentations, and communicate with investors and designers. She learned to use her words wisely, making sure that people understood her vision and goals. Serena's journey teaches us a lesson. Hard work, strong words, and big dreams can change everything. She is not just a champion in tennis. She is a champion in life. Her words will always inspire people to be brave and follow their dreams. Her speeches at graduation ceremonies, charity events, and sports conferences continue to motivate millions. Her ability to communicate effectively has made her one of the most respected voices in sports and beyond. Even after retiring from professional tennis, Serena continues to inspire people. She writes books, gives speeches, and helps young athletes. She uses her words to encourage others to never give up. Her story teaches us that success is not just about talent. It is also about learning, speaking, and sharing ideas. Many young athletes look up to her and learn the importance of education and communication from her example. She has shown that language can be a bridge that connects people and opens doors to new opportunities. Serena's life shows that words are powerful. They can change lives, open doors, and make dreams come true. If we work hard and communicate well, we can achieve great things too. Whether in sports, education, or business, Language remains a tool for success. Serena's legacy reminds us that confidence, hard work, and strong communication skills can help us reach our full potential. She will always be remembered as a champion, not just in tennis, but in life. Her journey also teaches us that learning never stops. Even though she was a tennis star, she kept learning new skills, including how to be a leader, a businesswoman, and an advocate. She continued to grow by reading, listening, and practicing her communication skills. She worked on improving her writing, public speaking, and ability to connect with people from different backgrounds. Serena also used social media as a powerful tool to communicate her ideas. She shared messages of hope, strength, and resilience. She inspired people to believe in themselves and work hard for their goals. She proved that with the right words, you can uplift others and make a difference in the world. She has also written books for children to encourage young readers to dream big. She understands that words have the power to shape young minds. Through her books, she shares important lessons about confidence, perseverance, and self-belief. Her ability to tell stories and inspire through words has made her an influential figure beyond sports. In addition to her work in sports and business, Serena has also been an advocate for education. She has spoken about the importance of learning and how it can change lives. She encourages young people to read, write, and express themselves clearly. She knows that education is the key to success and that language is a tool that can help people achieve their dreams. Serena Williams is proof that hard work and strong communication skills can take you far in life. She started as a young girl with a dream and became one of the greatest athletes of all time. But her success is not just about tennis. It is about her determination, her words, and her ability to inspire others. She has shown that learning, speaking up, and using your voice wisely can open doors to a world of opportunities. As we look at Serena's journey, we can learn an important lesson. Never underestimate the power of words. Whether it is on the tennis court, in business, or in everyday life, communication is key. If we work hard, stay determined, and use our voices for good, we too can achieve great things. Serena's legacy will continue to inspire generations to come, proving that words can truly change the world. The moral of the story is that strong communication and education can open doors to success, just like hard work and talent. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Lexium, the Language Academy, for more inspiring stories. See you in the next video.